everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in England. If this is your first time here, thank you very much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me. I'm very grateful and God bless you. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious vegetable couscous. It is packed full of flavor, not soggy, and everyone will love it. For my ingredients, I used carrot, sweet corn, green peas, green bell peppers, pointed sweet peppers, different colors, mushrooms, and spring onions. And I also used the vegetable stock. I have garlic and half an onion bulb. So to start, I'm going to dissolve this vegetable stock in hot water using a heat-proof bowl before adding the couscous. You can also cook directly, but I prefer using this method. Now I'm going to add the couscous. You will need to be very careful with the amount of couscous you're using as it grows or swells after adding water. Couscous is a great alternative to rice, pasta, and potatoes. So now I'm going to cover with a cling film and I will leave for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to cut my vegetables to smaller sizes. You can cut them in whatever shapes that you want. You can also add red meat or seafood protein to your couscous. It's all about personal choice. But I like staying off all kinds of meat sometimes. like we know, too much of meat, especially red meat, it's unhealthy. So if you're going to be eating meat, try to limit it to seafood or chicken or turkey. Limit your intake of red meat. Although I'm not a vegetarian, but this meal can be called vegetarian couscous. Because everything is just about vegetables. Everything here, mushrooms, down to the stock, the seasoning. I use vegetable seasoning. So everything here is vegetarian. So now moving on to my mushrooms. You can cut your mushrooms in whatever size that you want. So now that I've finished cutting my vegetables, I'm going to set them aside. So to my pan, I'm going to be adding some sunflower oil. So I'm adding the garlic. Some onions. Yeah, so this is the couscous all ready. So I'm going to fluff the couscous. So now I'm adding the vegetables. You can see how colorful the pan is. So colorful. I don't know why I love vegetables. I love vegetables, especially when they are colorful. Now I'm adding the mushroom. This is so colorful. Now I'm adding some seasoning. Salt. And I'm combining together. I'm adding the sweet corn, the carrot, and the green peas. I'm giving a good mix, a very good mix. I'm adding some curry powder. Some thyme. now I'm adding some pepper. It's optional. I can't eat any food without the heat in my tongue. I'm used to heat. Heat in my tongue. I'm used to it. I added some parsley. So now I'm going to be adding the couscous. You can see it's fluffy, it's not soggy. So you need to be careful with the amount of liquid you're adding to the couscous. It can be very tricky, but you will always get it. You can see it's looking so colorful. I love eating couscous because I don't feel heavy after eating it. So now I'm adding my spring onions. And I'm going to combine together. That's it, our couscous almost ready. Like I said earlier on, you can add your protein. You can add prawns, you can add fish, you can use chicken, whatever protein you want to use. This is just me going off meat sometimes. If I'm going to choose between seafood and red meat, I would choose seafood. So this is our food all ready, all looking so delicious, so tasty, so colorful. You can add more vegetables of your choice. You can play around, do whatever you feel like doing with this meal. It's very versatile. You can just cook it however you want. So we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like button, share it with your friends so we can all live a healthy life, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can always know as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you for always supporting me. I am very grateful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, and I love you all. Bye bye.